Yo, what's up, YouTube? What's going down today? Here today to show y'all how the shot go down. Finna give my boy his 9-way shot. He turned 10 weeks a day ago, so I'm finna give him a 9-way shot. What come in the shot is we get the shot from Track Supply too as well. You get your liquid formula. Then you get your powder formula. I just be looking at the dates on them. Both of them. Then you get the syringe. Syringe comes with safety cap. Then you take the liquid. Take the liquid. Then you put it in with the powder. Then you shake it out. And it'll turn pink, as you see. Then you take it, make sure you get all of it. Come out, Blue. Come out, Blue Script. Good boy, come out. Come out, Blue Script. Good boy. Good boy. Come out, Blue Script. Good boy. Come out, Blue Script. Good boy. Good boy. Oh, my fault, y'all. This right here, Blue Script, y'all. You pull it up. And you inject it. Make sure you ain't no vein in there. And you smooth it out. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy. Good boy, this is my boy Blue Strip right here. 2.5 months. Good boy. Good boy. DJ massage it. Massage it on, man. And he good. Say, all right, Blue Strip. Say, all right, bye. Say, bye. Yeah. Take the precautions and put it back. How you got it? And you throw this away. And what I do, now I take his records. Me personally, I'll take both strips, as you see. And mark it. And I mark it, and I keep up with his shots. So that's how I do mine. And all my dogs. I kept up with their shots. As you see. But yeah, I just wanted to bring that to you. All right, YouTube. Until next time.